And once you have this list, I'd advise to copy and paste it somewhere else, maybe like a text document or Word, whatever, so you can keep your list. But I've got it in here, and to show you something else you can quickly do is you could check these keyword lists for other extensions. So I added AI.com. We can add just .ai, and now we can copy this result over, take a look on GoDaddy, and see what's available here. Out of these 135 names, what's available in .ai. So it looks like new registrations, we've got 12, and this is I should point out this is a test server that I'm running, so it may not be 100% accurate. It might have a little lag, or somebody might be registering these names as we speak since the video comes out. But all that being said, there's some really good names here. I'd look at cognitiveautomation.ai, 360.ai. They look like a couple names that I would definitely check out as available. So you can easily see, you can get this list of names and then plug in different things that are in the news and use those as a jumping off point to spark your ideas of names to register. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear them, and good luck out there.